In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward all emails from your Gmail account to an Outlook email account. This is a handy feature to ensure that you never miss an important email, whether you're using one platform or the other. Let's dive right into the process, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to forward emails. Once you're at your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can configure various options for your Gmail account. Now that you're on the settings page, find and click on the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. This section is where you'll set up the forwarding rules. At the top of this section, you'll see the forwarding option. Go ahead and click on Add a forwarding address. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the email address you want your Gmail emails forwarded to. This is where you'll input your Outlook email address. After entering your Outlook email, click Next, then proceed to confirm. This step might prompt Gmail to send a verification email to your Outlook account to make sure you have access to that account. Head over to your Outlook inbox and look for an email from Gmail. It will contain a code or a link to confirm that you want to set up forwarding. Once you have the verification code, go back to your Gmail settings and enter it where prompted. This final step confirms the forwarding address, allowing you to proceed with the setup. After verifying the address, return once again to the Forwarding and POP IMAP section. You'll see an option to forward a copy of incoming mail to your Outlook address. Select this option, and for good measure, you can choose what Gmail should do with the emails. Either keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, archive it, or delete it. This flexibility lets you manage your emails the way you see fit. Remember to save your changes at the bottom of the page before you exit the settings menu. Once saved, your Gmail is now configured to forward all incoming emails to your Outlook account, streamlining your email management process across these platforms. So whether you primarily use Gmail or Outlook, you can have all your emails in one place, making it easier to stay on top of everything. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic forwarding from Gmail to Outlook. With these steps, you'll never have to worry about missing emails again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your email accounts.